Hello, sir, and welcome to BigMint's conference. What are the key issues plaguing the sponge iron sector at present, very briefly?
The most critical issue is the carbon footprints. As we all know, we are the largest DRI producer in the world for last 19 years. But unfortunately, 80% of our DRI production comes through the coal-based route, which is not so eco-friendly. So we have to focus as a country, not as an association only, not as an industry only, how to reduce our carbon footprints. So what are our options? Our options are to substitute part of the coal either by electrical heating, by biogas, or by some other gas, by syngas or by green hydrogen. But again, then the question will come the economics. At what price we are going to get the gas, either syngas or biogas or green hydrogen to substitute of the coal, because coal is the cheapest raw material for us as far as the production of DRI is concerned. Cost component, although is the 40% of a total production, but still compared to the gases, it is the cheapest available material for us. So we have to have a technology how to substitute part of the coal to bring out our carbon footprints. The present carbon footprint, as I was saying in the conference, is 1.8 ton of CO2 to 2.8 ton of CO2. If we convert in terms of a crude steel, it will come 2.3 ton per ton of the crude steel and 3.3 ton, which is higher if we look at the 3.3 ton, which is higher than the national average of 2.6 million ton. So we have to focus how to bring down, because our 1.8 ton is quite reasonable, but that still comes to 2.3 when we compare with the crude steel. Now, how we should bring it to the target which Ministry of Steel set up to bring down the carbon emission from 2.6 ton, the current level, to the 2.1 ton by 2030 and 1.8 ton by 2047. We have to work in this direction. So R&D is going to play a major role. The cost component of the gas is going to play a major role.
Thank you, sir. And another question, we've seen a raw material price slide over the last few months. So how is that impacting the sponge iron sector?
Currently, I am happy to say that raw material prices has come down because demand has come down, but the prices move in tandem with the selling prices. If the market is good, definitely the DRI price will go up, and they are prepared to pay a little bit higher of the iron ore prices than what they are paying. So it is a caution of the economics which play a major role.
Sir, this Supreme Court judgment announcement of taxes with retrospective effect, how will that impact steel prices eventually?
See, there is no clarity how the mineral producing state will implement this order. But it will be very disastrous. The price of the steel will go up, which will impact the steel consumption overall. But the my worry is that the major producers are declaring every day. You see that notice that the SAIL chairman or Mr. Sajaddin, the chairman of the GS group, they are making a statement they have to revisit their Capex plan, which is not good for the country, which is not good for the development of infrastructure or housing sector. We have to ensure that the SC order should be implemented in a way that it does not impact the steel consumption or steel production in the country.
Thank you, sir. One line of thanks to BigMint.
We have a long association with Steel Mint when they have their first seminar in Calcutta. Since then, I think it is the late 80s. Since then, I am a part of that one. We in SIMA organized the International Technical Conference. I am happy to say in the March conference of this year, SIMA was a partner and this BigMint was a partner, and it was a very successful event. I am thankful for the BigMint.
Thank you so much, sir.